Welcome back. You are watching Iffi News. Sunil Anand, son of Devanand, was in Goa for the screening of the movie Guide as homage to veteran actor. Sunil said that he is reworking on Guide and will be re-released worldwide within a span of 10 months. Omkar Falari captures the chat by Rohit Wadkar with Sunil Anand.
गाइड के बारे में मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा कि पिक्चर अभी हम वाइड स्क्रीन में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं विद डोल्बी डिजिटल EX सराउंड साउंड एंड होपफुली विद इन द नेक्स्ट 10 मंथ्स उसको हम री रिलीज़ कर देंगे ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड और बट इट्स ग्रेट टू बी हियर, इट्स गुड टू बी इन गोवा, ग्रेट एम्बियंस, ब्यूटीफुल पीपल एंड मैं अपनी नेक्स्ट फिल्म भी अभी प्लान कर रहा हूँ, उसकी स्क्रिप्ट तैयार है और मैं उसको जल्द ही शुरू करने वाला हूँ, प्रॉबेबली बाय मार्च। फिल्म का नाम है वैगेटोर मिक्सर। ये फिल्म मैं अंग्रेज़ी में बना रहा हूँ, इंग्लिश में, बिकॉज डैड भी चाह रहे थे कि फिल्म हम इंग्लिश में बनाएं, एक फिल्म इंग्लिश में बनाएं वर्ल्ड मार्केट के लिए, और तो ये वर्ल्ड मार्केट के लिए प्लान की जा रही है पिक्चर। द फिल्म इज़ रेडी and my script is ready. I'm breaking it down and I hope to get rolling by March of next year and to finish the filming by September or October of next year and God willing release it by the end of the year.
And how has the life been without that evergreen hero?
Well, you know, the life, as far as I'm concerned, my dad is still alive, he's still with us and he's inspiring us. He's a source of inspiration to millions of youth the world over. He continues to be a source of inspiration to millions of youth the world over. He's got the longest span of any actor in the world, any leading movie actor in the world. You know, he has a span of 65 years. Tell me which leading movie actor in the world has such a long span. I think it's probably a world record. Somebody should look into it and somebody should definitely.
Sanjay Shetty, producer of Kokni film Digant, expressed pleasure that his movie was screened at Indian Panorama feature section of 43rd Iffi. He was satisfied that movie has been recognized, though the cast and technical team was local. Marathi movie Mukti was also screened in non-feature section. Artists and other team members of both the teams walked on the red carpet on Friday evening.
आतापर्यंत इंडियन पॅनोरामाने फर्स्ट फिल्म कोंकणी की गोव्यान प्रोड्यूस केल्लें आनी गोवान डायरेक्टर गोवचो डायरेक्टर आसलेलो आनी दुसरें अशें की 99% जो टॅक्निकल क्रू आसा जावं प्रोड्युसर डायरेक्टर फोटोग्राफर सगळे गोंयचेच आहा, टीम सगळी फूल गोंयची आहा, फक्त आमी पोस्ट प्रोडक्शनच बॉम्बे केला. सो अशा ह्या टिमीन हे फिल्म प्रोड्यूस करून इतकें यश मेळ्ळां म्हणून हे खूपच आनंदाची गोष्ट आहे. गोव्यातल्याच कलाकारांक चान्स दिवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसलो. कलाकार, टेक्निशियन, बाकीचे फोटोग्राफर, म्हणजे आमकां गोवाचो टॅलंट एक्सपोज करूंक जाय. आमी जेन्ना लॉन्च केलो हो पिक्चर तशें आमच्या मनान हांवें हो विचारूच करूंक ना म्हाज्या मनान की आमी पयशे रिकवर करतले आनी मागीर ते आमी कमर्शियली विकतलो. मेनली आमी हो आर्ट फिल्म कसो केला आनी मोस्टली नॅशनल आनी इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल सर्किटान आमी तो रिलीज करतले आनी मागीर कमर्शियली म्हणजे थिएटरान रिलीज करतले. आर्ट अँड कल्चराचो डायरेक्टर आहा प्रसाद लोलयेकाराची कथा पुस्तकांतल्यान येवना, ती तेणी हें करून स्वताची कथा आसा ती स्वताची आहा.
हिंदुस्थानच्या या 100 शतकी महोत्सवामध्ये म्हणजे हिंदुस्थानमध्ये चित्रपटाला 100 वर्ष पूर्ण होत आहेत आणि अशा 100 वर्षी आम्ही एक छोटासा प्रयोग त्या ठिकाणी केला आणि त्या प्रयोगाचं आम्हाला या ठिकाणी हा प्रयोग घेऊन आला. सिंधू जिल्ह्यातील अनेक मंडळींना फिल्म मेकिंगचं एक प्रशिक्षण शिबिर आम्ही त्या ठिकाणी केलं होतं. या फिल्म मेकिंगच्या शिबिरामधूनच आम्ही काही मंडळी निवडली, याचे दिग्दर्शक, याचं स्क्रीन प्ले, याचं एडिटिंग, याचं कॅमेरा, या सगळ्या लोकेशन हंटिंगपासून सगळ्या गोष्टी आम्ही त्या ठिकाणी या शिबिरार्थींना त्याच्यामधून निवडलं त्या मंडळींना आणि या मंडळींनी तयार केलेलं असं एक चित्रपट म्हणण्यापेक्षा शॉर्ट फिल्म आहे.
कुटुंब आहे जे कीर्तन करून गुजराण करत असतं त्यांचं, आणि त्यातली एक मुलगी आहे जी खोताच्या भावाच्या प्रेमात पडते. खोताला ते मंजूर नाही, त्यामुळे तो त्यांना गावाबाहेर काढून टाकतो. गावावर काढल्यानंतर खोतांचा बाप मरतो. बाप मेल्यानंतर एक त्याचे जे व्हील आहे त्याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी एक कोडं ठेवलं आहे, आणि ते कोडं जो सोडवेल तो ह्याचा मालक होईल त्या पूर्ण प्रॉपर्टीचा, असं ते असतं. आणि खोताचा भाऊ ते प्रयत्न करून सुटत नाही, पण जो लहान भाऊ आहे जो या मुक्तीच्या प्रेमात आहे, त्या मुलीच्या सिंधूच्या प्रेमात आहे, तिला तो पुन्हा बोलवतो आणि तिच्या थ्रू ते कोडं सोडवतो. मग त्यातनं ते सगळं मुक्त होतं, म्हणून मुक्ती असं.
Film critic Sachin Chatte recommends certain movies to be watched on day-to-day basis. Our video journalist Omkar Falari brings to you the tips of Sachin Chatte for viewing films on Sunday in Iffi.
On Sunday, 25th of November, a host of films will be screened at the International Film Festival of India. Here are some of the picks that you might want to check out on Sunday, 25th of November. The first film is called The Orator, and it comes from New Zealand, and it's New Zealand's entry to the Oscars. This film is set in Samoa, actually in a village in Samoa, and it's about a farmer who's a dwarf. He's banished from the village, and the tribulations that he goes through is what this film is about. So make sure you check out this film called The Orator. It comes from New Zealand. There's a retrospective of Kim Ki-duk's films at this year's Iffi, and all his films are worth a watch. But tomorrow they are showing a film called Time, which he made in 2005. It was released in 2006. And this is a very interesting film. It's about a relationship between a young couple, and the lady even goes as far as getting a plastic surgery done to save her relationship. Well, as I said, all of Kim Ki-duk's films are worth a watch, and this one is no different. This is showing on 25th of November, which is a Sunday. The film is called Time by Kim Ki-duk. Another retrospective that is being held at this year's Iffi is that of Susanne Bier, the well-known director from Denmark who won an Oscar for her film In a Better World. One of her better films, it's called After the Wedding, will be shown on 25th November, which is a Sunday. Well, this is the story of a man who's working in India, and when he goes back to Europe, he's working with orphans in India, but when he goes back to Europe, he is in for a surprise. This is one of her better films, so make sure you don't miss Susanne Bier's After the Wedding. Another film that I'm going to strongly recommend for Sunday 25th of November is called Like Someone in Love, which is directed by Abbas Kiarostami. Now, if you know anything about world cinema, then you should know that Abbas Kiarostami is a very well-known director who's made some remarkable films. These days he's based in France, but this story is set in Japan, and it's about a young girl and an old man. So make sure you don't miss this film called Like Someone in Love, directed by Abbas Kiarostami, which is showing at Kala Academy on Sunday 25th of November. And the last film that I'm going to recommend for Sunday is a Punjabi film. Well, it is India's entry in the competition section. One of the two films, one is a Bengali film and the other is a Punjabi film. It's called Ane Ghode Da Daan, which is directed by Gurvinder Singh. Now, Gurvinder is a FTI graduate, and it's only incidental that he's made this film in Punjabi. It won the National Award for Best Direction and Best Cinematography, along with the Best Punjabi Film. Will it win an award in the competition section? Well, only time will tell. But make sure you watch this film called Anne Ghode Da Daan, which is India's entry in the competition section. Well, I'll be back with you tomorrow with some more references as to what to watch at the ongoing Iffi. Till then, keep watching Prudent Media.
And before we end this bulletin, we bring to you our video of the day, glittering performance at the Kingfisher village of Iffi. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Muchas se llegan a la calle, señorita, donde brilla la mirada, que no está cerca de mí. Ay, ay, ho, ay, ay, ho. All right, everybody, louder. Ay, ay, ho, louder. Ay, ay, ho. Let's sing out. Everybody, your hands. Hooray, 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 hooray. Down, down in the rain. Down, down, down. Toma coragem e posso sim falar. Nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai, se eu te pego. Delícia, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego, ai.